Hi everyone, we're going to give you 5 cost-effective renovations for your home. We are Eric and Lilah Bross of the Bross team, and you'll want to stick around for this one.
All right, so number 1, 3 letters, LVP. So this stands for luxury vinyl plank. This is the newest and best thing to happen to floors lately, and it's a very cost-effective way to put new, nice floors down. It looks like hardwood. It's actually even more durable, really, than hardwood. It's much more cost-effective, and it looks fabulous. Despite it is vinyl, so it doesn't sound like it's that great, but we actually have been seeing it in new build luxury homes. So it looks that good, and it's really great way. If you have old carpet or you have old tile, get rid of that and do yourself a favor, put down some LVP. So what do you have for us next?
All right, awesome job with the LVP from our MVP, Lilah. Way to go. So number 2 is paint and add hardware to your existing cabinets. This is an inexpensive way to freshen up the look and feel of your cabinets. Bright white is a color that can hide outdated cabinets. We highly recommend hiring a professional for this, of course, but if you decide to do it on your own, then first wash the cabinets, then you can begin priming and painting them with a high quality white semi-gloss paint. Then once you paint them, add your new hardware, and it will really enhance the bright white to come out.
This is a super cost-effective way to really brighten up your kitchen, especially if you have old, outdated, dark cabinets. People love the white, especially if you're looking to potentially sell your home anytime soon. Buyers love white cabinets right now.
That's
and
right.
For under $1,000, I would say you can paint your cabinets and put new hardware, and it really looks great. And if you have it done by a professional, it can look really good too. Number 3, give your bathroom a little facelift. So without having to do a complete renovation in your bathroom, maybe you just want to spend a couple $100s, you can replace the light fixture, replace your faucet fixture, maybe your shower head. You can re-glaze your bathroom if your bathtub is looking kind of dingy and maybe the grout's getting dark and mildewy. You can have your bathtub re-glazed. Instead of completely replacing it, just do these things, and it will really brighten up your bathroom without spending thousands of dollars.
Number 4, upgrade your countertops. Look, you guys, granite and other solid surface counters don't have to break your bank. An inexpensive way to find new countertops is to visit your local granite supply yards and look for remnants from larger projects, and you should be able to find a really great deal. But keep in mind your lighter, brighter, and whiter color granites and stones will go great with your newly painted fresh white cabinets. Again, we recommend a professional for this as well for installation.
All right, so number 5 is probably the most obvious renovation, and that is paint. So yes. Just a couple things. This is probably my first thing I recommend when people are looking to sell their home. It's the most basic thing you can do to brighten it up and freshen it up. But a couple of things to remember: go with a neutral light color. Please, yes. Please, please, please. Neutral and light, so important if you're looking to sell now or anytime in the near future. And also try to be consistent. Just pick one color for the interior and stick with it. I mean, you really don't need to get crazy and pick a bunch of different colors if you're looking to sell in the near future. A couple of good colors that I recommend: there's Agreeable Gray or Accessible Beige, both by Sherwin-Williams. Agreeable Gray is probably the number 1 choice for resale, just because it literally goes with everything.
I agree.
So you can't really go wrong with it. And, all right, that's it for us. So thank you so much for watching our video. If there's anything we can help you with in terms of real estate, let us know. We're here to help you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Smash that subscribe button today.